every parent need this.
Mommy, I want to watch PJ Masks.
You want to watch PJ Masks?
Yeah.
Is it PJ Masks, right? Okay. Yeah.
And I only want my son to watch his iPad for just 1 hour. And here I am setting the screen limit to be 1 hour. After 1 hour, his iPad is gonna stop working.
Thank you, Famisafe. With Famisafe, I can now set screen limit on my son's iPad. Hello everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I'm going to be introducing us to one life-saving app every parent must have. You may be asking this question, why am I talking about an app since this is a hair channel? Of course, I'm a mom and I have children, and technology is part of our day-to-day activities at home. One way or the other, your kids are either using their phones or their iPad, or most times your own phone, to watch a whole bunch of things on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, and every other platforms. Our duties as parents is ensuring that our kids are not exposed to unhealthy content as they surf the internet. And that is why I am going to be introducing you to a safe app called Famisafe.
Famisafe is a parental control app that is available on iOS, Android, Mac, PC, and Kindle. It allows you to track your kids' location in real time, detect suspicious pictures and text on the smartphones, lock app usage, block inappropriate website, control how many hours they get to use their smartphones or tablets.
We know kids are smart, right? And that is why Famisafe has uninstalled protection on Android. But this, kids cannot easily uninstall family parental control protection without their parents' control pin. These are just some of the few features. I'll be showing you more, but before that, let me show you how you can download and install Famisafe app.
My son's iPad is an iOS device. I am going to go to App Store, search for Famisafe Kids blog site, and download it. On my Android device, being the parent, I am going to go to Play Store, search for Famisafe Parental Control app, and download it. Now, both devices have Famisafe app installed. Next, on my own app, being the parent's device, I am going to create an account with an email and a preferred password. The app has a clear instruction that enables you to successfully install the app. Next is to pair both phones using the QR codes and the codes that shows on the kid's device. Now both devices have the Famisafe app running. Now I'm going to run you through all the features of the Famisafe app. First, screen time management. Here you can set the duration of each application. So if your child has been spending way too much time on YouTube or TikTok, you are going to know for sure. And you can set your projections and time limit for each application. Next is app management. Here you can limit the apps your kids can have access to on your Famisafe app, because Famisafe has access to all the apps on your kid's device when you did the pairing, so you can decide to limit every app you don't want your child to have access to. Another feature under the app management is allowed app. Here you can allow all the apps you want your child to have access to. Next is content safety. Here you can set your app to detect inappropriate pictures on your child's device. So looking at my own device, you could see that no inappropriate pictures were detected. If any inappropriate picture were detected, it will show right here. Also, you can set it on the app to detect low, medium, or high inappropriate pictures, however you want it. Next is YouTube content detection. Here, this app will detect and prompt you if your child is watching any inappropriate content on YouTube. Next is location service. You can see the exact location of your child, and the app also shows the possible route that leads to your child's location. Also under this feature, this app is going to show all the places your child has been on that particular day. Next feature is geofence. This allows you to set where your child is at a point in time. One interesting feature about this Famisafe app is its driving reports. It allows you know when the speed limit you set has been breached. This is particularly good when you want to monitor the driver of your kid's school bus on this account. The last feature on the Famisafe app is the web filter. This allows you to block websites that are inappropriate. For example, if your child is watching a video on YouTube, this app will allow you to see the videos your child have been viewing on YouTube, and if you suspect the video, you can click and watch it, and if you don't like it, you can block it. It also filters out all content that contains all of these inappropriate things that you have set it out to filter out. One amazing thing I like about the screen time feature is that while your child is watching his phone and his time has exceeded, it could request for more time. And if you allow it, you can accept. And if you don't want it, you can deny it.
Mommy, YouTube is not working.
YouTube is not working? Yeah, screen time is over. You're allowed to watch your PJ Max for 1 hour. The screen time is over, but we read a book.
Sounds great.
Sounds great? Okay, cool. A fish.
Okay, out of water. I want him. I like him, and he likes me.
Famisafe app, I can have a quality bonding time with my son.
I did not give him much. Just one little spot.
As you can see, this is a robust application that covers a whole lot of areas. You can track your kids' location in real time and see what they've been up to recently, and you can intervene if you want to. I honestly believe that this app is a must for all parents. The internet is stuffed with a whole lot of things,
And kids need all the help they can get.
and to make it easy for all parents to get this app, Famisafe is offering a 3-day trial, so you can test and try it out if it works for you. And that is it for the review. Thank you for watching, and I hope someone finds about this app out there and hopefully it is useful to you. Please share this video to all parents that you know, and see you again next time. Bye.